Hi, Tasdele, everyone. So today here I'm teaching chatik. Chatik means verb plus you. Okay. In the literally we have you, and in the colloquial, in the speaking, usually people use ya or ye or ya. So you can see a different spellings. So this is in English. It's a indefinite particles. It shows like to. Okay, so I will show more detail in example. So here, nga kala suyur gapoye. So that means I like to cook. Okay, and then if I use in the colloquial, okay, nga kala soyak la gapoye. So same. I like to cook. Okay, and then another one, ngala nangjong tia mangbuye. So that means I have many homework to write. Okay, and then next one, same way if I use you, ngala nangjong tigu mangbuye. So that means also I have many homework to write. Okay, and then okay, and then another one, you and yak also shows the future tense. Okay, so see here, nga thomla doyak yin. So that means I will go to market. Okay, nga thomla doyuyin. I will go to market. And then another one, nge mongmo soye yin. So I will cook or I will make mongmok. Nge mongmo suyuyin. Last one. So that means also I will make mongmok. Okay, so this is the how to use you and in the colloquial ya or ye and ya. So this is very useful. Usually people use it. Okay, thank you, and then see you in next video. Watching new, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and then please do like, because you can see more videos. Okay, thank you.